can I help you?
Hi, sir. Sorry, your house is so impressive, and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Mafia.
Oh, wow. Really? Wow. Okay. Hi there. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is so beautiful, and I really want to know, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I am part of Yakuza.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Your house is incredible, and the cars are spectacular, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
You came through the gate?
Yeah, the gate was open.
All right, man. I own a network marketing company.
No way. What is it called?
Tava. You see that?
Yeah?
Tava.
Can I come inside your house?
You by yourself?
Just me, yeah.
All right, come on, man.
Yeah. I think your dad let me in. What do you do for a living?
I'm a music artist.
Yeah? Okay, what's your name?
Male motherfucking figure. Jello!
Oh my god.
You don't have to go home, but you got to get the hell out of here.
This place looks like a castle.
Sorry for bothering you, man. Your house is spectacular, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I sell fantasies.
Wow, that sounds fantastic, man. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm just really curious, what do you do for a living?
Well, we sell
Okay, what do you sell?
human organs,
Okay.
and ice creams.
All right.
Just joking, no ice creams.
No.
We don't sell ice creams.
Okay. Is this your home?
This is my family's home.
I don't know what your parents do for a living.
Yeah, we're in the oil industry. Are you Aaron Vankampen?
Yeah.
Would you like to come inside?
Can I? No way.